We have gone past that area where you need a skill before you can start making money online. As of this time 2026, as of the time I'm making this video, there are thousands and millions of Nigerians who are making money online literally without any skills. They don't know how to program, they don't know how to edit videos, they don't know graphics design. Basically what they are doing is just produce these stuffs, and at the end of the day they are making massive money. And the truth of the matter is that these are things you are also doing, but you don't have the understanding that you can literally earn money from these stuffs. And that is why I am going to be exposing ways you can start earning money in dollars as a Nigerian without any skills. And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Basi Ejogba, and in my channel I help students level up their academic game. I also share helpful tips on this channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that I can continue getting updates anytime I drop helpful videos like this, and in turn you will help me grow. And just like I've said, I'm going to be revealing ways you can start earning money immediately. In fact, if you are serious and you start today, I'm making this video on, this is April, I'm making this video April. So if you are serious, in the next 2 to 3 months you can basically start earning on these platforms. Now, one of the major requirements you need in order for you to start earning on this platform is that you must have a smartphone. That means you must be using an Android or you must be using an iPhone. Number 2 requirement you need to start any of this platform is that you must have mobile data. So you must have data, you must have a SIM card that contains data, whether it is 1 gig of data, whether it is 500 MB, whether it is 100 MB. And the last of it is your time. Yes, this requires your time, and not much of your time. It requires just the basic, the barest minimum time you can use. Even 2 hours every day is enough for you. Now we head straight to the very first platform. Now the very first platform on the list is known as Twitter X. X is the current name. The first name was Twitter, which was owned by Jack Dorsey, created and owned by Jack Dorsey, but it was later bought by Elon Musk around 2023. Now that platform name is X currently, Twitter X, that is how we call it. Now Twitter X is one of the most easiest platform a lot of people are earning money. Of recent, this is when I got this idea. Of recent, I started loving the platform. I started going there, and that was when I discovered that people earn money on this platform. That Elon Musk brought out a creator sharing revenue method where you create content and at the end of the day you earn. And the most honest thing is that you don't need good camera, you don't even need your face, you just have to write. You have to write, people see your write up, and you start earning money. Now for you to start earning money on this platform, you just need to have 500 followers, 500 followers and 5 million impression. 500 followers and 5 million impression, and then you have to buy your Twitter blue tick for as low as 7,200 naira. So imagine just using 7,200 naira, which is less than $10. So 7,200 naira, which is less than $10, and start earning up to $100 every day. In fact, there's someone who earns, in fact, why am I saying someone, there are people who earn up to $4,000 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, the effort plus Elon Musk pays twice. So imagine earning $4,000 every 2 weeks. That is $8,000. I don't think there's any Nigerian. I know they are Nigerians, but you are among, that means you are automatically among the 0.001% of Nigerians who are earning such amount of money. And you can start right now. The truth of the matter is that you just have to write. We have a lot of thoughts. Those thoughts you are writing on your WhatsApp status and you are not getting paid. So a lot of you have cruise, you have meme, you have a lot of stuff you post on your status that brings engagement. Take it to Twitter X, pump it there, and you see that people continue engaging on your platform. Wow, you get access to meet a lot of people also, and from there you start earning money when you have just 500 followers and 5 million impressions. It is very easy for you to hit. Now the second platform there again is known as YouTube. YouTube is the ultimate money making glitch platform in the whole world. All what you just have to do is create your YouTube account. To create a YouTube account is basically for free. You don't need to pay anybody money to help you create your YouTube account. Look for a niche, make videos particularly on that niche, get monetized, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, and you start earning money automatically on YouTube. That is how easy it is. You don't need to do anything. Just like I'm making this video now. The truth of the matter is that you watching this video and I get up to 1,000 viewers on this particular video, I earn nothing less than $1 to $2. So you have to understand what it means. So imagine I have up to 1 million viewers watching this particular video. I'm sure of earning at least $5,000 from this particular video. That is how easy it is for you to make money in Nigeria without any skills. Now the truth of the matter is that just make a video, set your camera, make videos, then try to edit one or two stuff. Now I know that a lot of you are finding it difficult in editing. Say, but I said I don't need any skills now, but editing is a skills. I didn't learn editing. It was because of YouTube I started learning editing. You just have to cut, trim, and add music and see how you can get your video. So that is particularly how it is on how you can start making money on YouTube. Just 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. These two platforms are known as the ultimate money making glitch. I've seen thousands and thousands and thousands of Nigerians. The truth of the matter is that these are young boys of 21 years, these are young boys of 18 years. But the truth of the matter is, whether you are 32 years, 40 years, 50 years, 13 years, as far as you are dedicated to start making money on YouTube, even you can start earning money on those platforms, whether to YouTube, whether Twitter X, as of today. If you start right now, as of when you are done watching this particular video. And I understand that a lot of you will be having a lot of questions in your head. You are trying to see how you can start. I know most people need this one-on-one mentorship, one-on-one guidance and mentorship. If you are those kind of persons, then make sure you chat me up on WhatsApp on 070-6246-2746, 070-6246-2746, so that you can get to understand how you can be able to navigate these platforms. If you find this video helpful, if you find it informative, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and then share this video to your friends so that they can come here and gain value. Drop it in the comment section which of it you are going to start right away. And until I see you in my next video, always remember you are wonderful, always remember you are unique, and always remember you are a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.